In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your liftgate support on your Hyundai Accent. It's located on the rear hatch. All right, so before we get started, we're going to install our hood prop, or anything you have that's similar to it. It's going to support the weight of the hatch. Okay, using a small flathead screwdriver, I'm going to take this out, just move it up a little bit, like that. And we're going to pull that out. Make sure that your hood prop is supporting the weight, because you don't know if that one all by itself on the other end is going to do the job. All right, so now we're on the bottom here. I'm going to do the same. And just pull it off. Okay, so now we're going to install our new one. Okay, so lifting up that, you're going to push this on. That, and then snap that back into place. And then you're going to lift it up. Get under that clip. Push it on and make sure it's locked in. I'm going to remove our hood prop. And then give it a test, and it's holding. Put it down and up, and it works good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.